Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use ChatGPT to write blogs. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you struggling to find the right words to finish your blog content? With ChatGPT, you can easily gather the information that you need. It can handle a wide range of queries as well, as it provides real-time answers to any question that you send to the chatbot. It tailors the response depending on the user's input. So if you want an explanation that even a 6-year-old child would understand, then it can provide it for you. Now let's start with the first step to create your blog using this chatbot. First, ask for blog title ideas. Depending on your topic, type in and use this phrase, search for blog title ideas about this topic. In this example, we're looking for coffee blogs. Sometimes it may take time for the chatbot to start typing its response. You may notice a list of titles in a numeric list. Once it's done listing the titles, copy this list to your Word document. And don't forget to copy and paste the search phrase. Now let's proceed to the next step. Ask for high converting titles. Now we can choose from this list which title is near the topic that we want to make blog content of. Choose a title here, then send the chat phrase for another list of titles that you can use for your coffee blog. You can use this phrase, look for high quality blog ideas for a coffee blog related to item number 2. This list of titles will be shown and relevant to this topic, brewing a coffee. If you want more titles, we can use the same phrase and choose another number from this list. You can keep on doing this search until you find the best title here. Just make sure to copy and paste this list of titles on your Word document. It might come in handy in your future content. Next, look for keywords that you can use for your blog. You can use this query, search high generating keywords for my coffee blog. And you may notice multiple keywords that were suggested here. You can view a list of keywords that you can use for your blog. Copy this again to your Word document list. Now when you need to edit the blog, as you proofread it, you can use the list of keywords that were generated here and apply it to your blog. Next, start creating blog content. From the previous results of titles, you can connect the list of titles to your next query. Just go back to the previous query and click this button here. Now click Save and Submit. Now it will show up on this list again. You can use this phrase, write a 1,000-word blog content for item number 2. Now you may notice that the chatbot is now crafting a 1,000-word blog content that is relevant to the title that we have chosen. Now start copying the results that you will need. You can copy and save all the results in your Word document. Take note that when you use this content, it is best to proofread the content before you use it in your blog and upload it on your website. This way, you can make sure that the content will be engaging and relevant to your target audience. If you need help to make courses and training, we have a marketing app that can help you create your own online courses that actually get sales. Create amazing courses with Udemy-grade customer experience. It includes profit and conversion boosting plugins. It integrates a popular payment system. It even supports video courses on any platform. It has a rich interaction with built-in comments, reviews, and questions. Create awesome courses. It would be easy for you to set up, and your students will love the user-friendly experience. Access dozens of ready-made templates for everything. Customize your course themes to make it feel unique with your branding. Students can resume course playback where they left it. So try Course Funnels now. Go to the URL getcoursefunnels.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.